YouTube? Average Fish Guy here. Just wanted to share with you something that's going on in my fish room. My Peticola catfish are breeding again. Now, the first time they did this, I kind of didn't notice it, and I lost most of the eggs. So this time, see if I can show you. They're not really breeding anymore. I think they've done their business. They've been doing it for about, must be an hour and a bit. And so the last time I only got a few eggs. I've only got 2 survivors because I didn't realize it. And how I seen it was the eggs started to get some fungus on them, and they got a little bit more visible with all the fungus. And I was like, oh my God, I didn't catch it in time. So this time I'm gonna do it tonight, so I'll be up late. But anyhow, I'm kind of stoked. If I can just save 50% of the eggs, that would be great. There must be a couple hundred eggs in there for sure. I highly doubt I'll be able to save all of that. Last time I didn't do too good. Mind you, I only had about 10 eggs. I think 6 hatched, and I've only got 2 that survived. Now, I think I'm a little bit more prepared this time. Last time was a bit of a guessing game, so hopefully it works a little better this time. I did manage to get a little bit of a video that I'll attach to this, watching them kind of breed and how they curl around each other, and then she puts her nose down and shakes, and the eggs just fly everywhere. It's never really seen anything like it, so pretty cool. I'll let you guys watch that, and everybody take care. Enjoy their fish hobby.